How to fix WhatsApp not opening on iPhone. Is your WhatsApp refusing to open on your iPhone? Don't worry, whether it's crashing or freezing at launch. Here's how to quickly fix the problem. Start by force closing WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the recent apps. Then reopen it to see if the issue is resolved. Next, head to the App Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap it. An outdated app can cause launch issues. If it doesn't open, restart your iPhone. This refreshes the system and often fixes background app glitches. At last resort, just uninstall the app. Then reinstall it from the App Store. Make sure your chats are backed up before deleting. And that's it. Your WhatsApp should be opening normally again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.